Look who's back for more. Welcome to the Hood Real Estate Guide, where we show you how to turn these houses into cash. This video is going to focus on setting up an appointment, aka meeting the plug. This is the 9th step in our wholesale process. If you missed our first 8 videos of this series, make sure you check them out. If you got fresh legs to the wholesale game, hit the subscribe button and notification bell to receive our videos on the complete process of wholesaling. Let's get to hustling. I know y'all seen the movie ATL, the one where T.I., who is playing the character Rashad, and his little brother Ant, played by Evan Ross, they live with their uncle and show their experience of Atlanta life. Well, at one point in the movie, Ant has an appointment with the plug, Marcus, played by Big Boy, set up through his friend who's a drug dealer. Before Ant could meet with the plug, his friend gave him some rules about what to expect and what to do when he meets the plug. That's what I'm going to do for you right now. Give you some rules about setting up an appointment and meeting the plug, aka the seller of the house. Before you set up an appointment, you want to make sure that it's worth your time pursuing. Based on all the information you have learned so far in the previous 8 videos, you must be sure that the seller is highly motivated and that all the numbers check out. Once you feel confident in these things, schedule a time and date to see the house. You want to get your numbers in order and schedule an appointment quickly because speed is the game here. Building that rapport with the seller will help this process go faster. Once again, before the appointment, make sure your max offer numbers are all in order. On the day of the appointment, confirm the appointment hours before you go. Arrive 5 minutes early. Once there, make sure that everything the owner told you about the home checks out. Take the property data info that they gave you to the appointment. During the appointment phase, remember that you are still in the negotiation phase. The goal is to get them to sign a purchase and sale agreement, which you should also have with you. On our next video, we will be showing you how to use the purchase and sale agreement and put the home under contract, aka secure the work. So let's recap. Make sure all the numbers from your max offer formula are in order before you set an appointment. Make sure the seller is motivated and the property is worth pursuing. Set a time and date for an appointment. On the day of, confirm the appointment and arrive 5 minutes early. Once the appointment has started, make sure all the property data checks out. The main goal of the appointment day is to get them to sign a purchase and sale agreement, which we will show you how to use in the next video. Have you ever set up an appointment and things didn't go how you want? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you found this information useful. In our next video, we will show you how to put a home under contract, aka secure the work, using a purchase and sale agreement. But until next time, this is your Hood Real Estate Guide.